Hello and a warm welcome to my channel Mom's Wonder Cookbook. I'm Dr. Amruta Varimbe, pediatrician and nutrition expert, and in this channel I'll be sharing with you a lot of quick, healthy and easy recipes especially for your kids. So do subscribe to my channel. Rice is a very versatile ingredient. We can make it in so many different ways. Today I'm going to share with you two recipes of totally different types of rice. These rice are very flavorful and have a flavor of its own. So let us see two types of rice today. To make this tasty and healthy rice, we will require 2 katoris of rice. Then this is 2 katori of fresh coriander, 2 green chilies, 1 teaspoon of garam masala, 7 garlic cloves, salt to taste. We will also require 2 teaspoon of fennel seeds. Due to this, we will get a very different taste. 1 teaspoon of jeera and 1 tablespoon of oil. At first, we will make a paste of garlic, coriander, green chili and fennel seeds. The coriander paste is now ready. On the side, I have kept 3 cups of water for boiling. I have kept a small pressure cooker for heating and I have washed my rice grains. Let us first add oil. We will add jeera. Now let us add the coriander mixture. We will fry it for a minute. To this we will add our washed rice. Let us saute it for 1 to 2 minutes. Now let us add the garam masala powder. We will mix it well. Now let us add the boiling water. Now we will add salt. We will mix well and then cover it with a lid. We will cook this rice for 3 whistles. Our healthy coriander rice is ready. You can have it with raita, papad and achar, or you can just have it with curd. Let us see the ingredients required for our fried rice. I have taken here 3 cups of cooked rice. This is normal rice, but you can even use basmati rice. Then in veggies, I have taken here 1 tablespoon of vertically sliced carrots, 1 tablespoon of vertically sliced capsicum, 1 medium sized onion chopped, half a katori of chopped cauliflower, then 1 tablespoon of boiled corn. Now we will require 1.5 tablespoon of oil, then 1 teaspoon of chopped garlic and ginger, 1.5 teaspoon of Italian mixed herbs. You can adjust the amount of mixed herbs according to your taste. Then this is half teaspoon of chili flakes and this is salt as per taste. Now we have to remember that Italian mixed herbs are a little bit salty, so you have to adjust the amount of salt you are adding accordingly. You can see that we have used a lot of veggies. If you like, you can even add sprouts, mushrooms and other vegetables which you like. So this is a very vitamin rich rice. Now I have kept my kadhai for heating. Once this kadhai is hot, I will add oil. You have to remember while making this rice, you have to keep the flame high. Now first let us add the ginger and garlic. Now let us add onions. Then we will add carrots. And cauliflower. We have to stir fry these veggies on high flame. One thing you have to remember that you do not have to overcook the veggies. You have to keep them crunchy. Now let us add boiled corn. Let us add capsicum. The veggies are now partially cooked and they are crunchy. Now we will add our seasoning. First we will add salt. Be cautious while adding salt. Then we will add chili flakes. Let us mix it properly. Now let us add Italian seasonings. I am adding the cooked rice. We have to mix the rice properly. Our rice is now done. If you have cooked rice at home, then this rice gets ready in 10 minutes. So this is a very instant recipe. Now let us serve it. Fried rice with Italian twist is now ready. Enjoy it.
Do try these rice recipes. They are ideal for quick dinners. Also, they are very healthy too. I'll be sharing with you lot more healthy and flavorful recipes in my future videos. So keep watching. Till then, bye bye friends. Stay safe, stay healthy.